Some people argue that technology is making us lazy, but I'd say the right innovations just make life more efficient. Take the Shark Clean and Empty stick vacuum. Sure, I still have to clean my floors, but gone are the annoyances that come with traditional vacuums. Today I'm diving into everything this vacuum offers, and why it might just be your ultimate floor cleaning solution. Hey everyone, welcome to Tips Trove, your trove of tips to better your life. Even with so many great stick vacuums out there, the Shark Clean and Empty stands out. It's feature-packed from self-emptying to tangle-free brush rolls, smart suction, and useful accessories, all in a lightweight design. Let's break down why this vacuum might be the tool your home's been missing. Let's start with the design of the vacuum itself. The Shark Clean and Empty is lightweight and thoughtfully engineered for ease of use. Everything from the one-click attachment points to the ergonomic handle feels intuitive. Swapping between the base unit and accessories is seamless. No fuss, no extra steps. The brush head uses Shark's PowerFins, a staple in their newer vacuums. These silicone fins are designed to prevent hair tangles, and I can confirm they work. I haven't had to manually cut hair from the brush roll once, even with pets in the house. The design also includes auto detection sensors, which we'll get to in a second when we talk about the performance. Comes to actual cleaning power, the Shark Clean and Empty holds its own, and then some. While Shark doesn't list the suction power in kilopascals, in day-to-day use it outperforms most stick vacuums I've tried, especially on hard floors and low-pile carpet. It may not be a heavy-duty corded vacuum in suction power, but for a cordless system, it's seriously impressive. You've also got manual control options, from standard to turbo mode for deeper cleaning, and the standout feature, auto mode. This setting uses floor sensors to automatically boost suction when transitioning to carpeted areas, giving you power only when you need it and saving battery life when you don't. The only trade-off? The PowerFins don't quite reach the edge of the cleaning head, so getting to tight corners or along the walls can take extra passes. The included accessories might seem basic, but they perform better than expected. The crevice tool is perfect for tight, dirt-prone spaces, and the real MVP, the motorized hand tool, a mini version of the main brush roll with PowerFins. It's amazing on fabrics and furniture, especially for pet hair, which my other vacuums never handled well. Lint rollers work, sure, but this tool gets most of the hair in just a couple passes without reoccurring costs. Here's where the Shark truly shines, the base station. Just dock the vacuum, and it charges and self-empties every time. That's right. No manual emptying after each use. It uses multiple filters to trap fine particles and stores the waste in a large compartment that can last up to a month without needing to be emptied. When it's full, just click to remove, click to open the bottom, and empty directly into the trash. One more click and it's reattached, ready to go again. Oh, and it even has a sleep mode to pause the auto empty function, so you can charge it quietly at night. Now let's talk pricing. At the time of recording, this set with the motorized hand tool is around $450. It's gone as low as $250 with an average around $383, especially during sales. There's also a cheaper version without the motorized tool for around $300. How does it compare with other vacuums? The Tyneco Pier 1, around $400, offers similar features, but users report issues with reliability and auto-emptying. The Eufy 3-in-1 at around $350 is a flexible hybrid design that sounds great on paper, but performance seems hit or miss. And the Eureka Stylus Elite at $210 is affordable, but reviews frequently mention battery and durability issues. So, is the Shark worth it? At $450, it's definitely a bit steep, and I recommend waiting for a deal. But if you can snag it below that at the $383 average, especially closer to $250, it's a steal. Add in Shark's 5-year warranty, solid customer service, and proven track record, and you're not just buying a vacuum, you're investing in a reliable cleaning system. I've used this vacuum for over a year, and I can confidently say it still works just as well as day one. Just remember to clean or replace the filters when needed, and that's pretty much all the maintenance required. If you're interested in the Shark Clean and Empty featured in this video, I've added Amazon links below, both for the version with the motorized tool and the more affordable one. As an Amazon associate, I do earn from qualifying purchases. It helps support the channel, so thank you in advance. This is Tips Trove, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.